My mentor Jeffrey Benson says this. What's up, you guys? My name is Amazing Prosper. How you guys doing? Hope you are doing well. So welcome you guys to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I traded last week as a Forex day trader. Yeah, so I hope last week was great. For me, last week was great. I made a lot of money on my pro firm that I'm showing you guys that I'm trading. I made like a lot of money on my pro firm. So I think I have like 2% to pass right now. So remember, if you're trading a pro firm, you have like some of them you have like 8% to pass. So this is just a one-phase account that I'm trading, like 2% out of 8. So I have made about getting to like 6% up. So I'm going to go on the chart right now to show you guys how I traded and some of the trades that I took, the mistake that I did, and how I'm going to do better this week. So trading is a game of probability. I always say, and like to be saying this always so that you can get it on your head, that this is a game of probability. You have to know how to react very well. We don't predict here, but you react. So the probability game is this. You have to know that no matter how sure you are on that particular setup, know that there is a tendency that you may be wrong. The market may prove you wrong. Maybe come take out your stop, reverse. So you have to be willing to risk any amount that you are comfortable to risk. You have to put in money that you know that here, this money, I'm fine. No matter what happens, I'm going to be okay. Don't trade with your school fees. Don't trade with your house rent. Don't trade with your healthcare money. Don't trade with your life saving, everything. Don't put it inside there. Trade with money that you can be able to let go anytime. So we are here as a soldier. If you decide that you are going to be trading, know that you are a soldier. Every day that you are going to the war front, is either you get killed or you kill somebody. But here, what is going to take out is only money. So, but if you are young, as my mentor say, don't trade safe. So from now on, I'm going to be So let's go on the chart. Let me show you guys how I traded last week. This is my chart. So here, this is my chart, how I traded last week. So at this moment where I'm recording this video, the market has not closed yet. This is just by 11:15 Friday morning. So, but I need to record this video because I have some certain things to do during the week. So here, at this point, I brought in here the last trade that I took on Friday. I brought in here for a sell opportunity. We made money here. I'm going to go on the pro firm to show you guys how we made money. So, but anyway, let's go. Let's go. The first trade that we took. I took a lot of trade last week, bro. I took a lot of trade. So here was on Tuesday. This is Tuesday again. So I called this one. On Tuesday. This is where I started. I called this one for a buy. Sorry, for a buy opportunity. Yes, we are in a buy. I was in a profit. The market came back. The mistake I did here was I didn't wait for the market to prove me wrong and exited. So I have to be real with you. I didn't wait for the market to prove me wrong at that particular setup. I exited because I saw the candlestick. I was thinking it's going to tank, it's going to drop aggressively, and it's going to hit my stop loss. So my mentor Jeffrey Benson says this. He said that you don't get in on a trade and start thinking, but you think before you get in on a trade. So let me say it the way he said. He said, you don't think while you are in a trade, you think before you get in a trade. So you have to do all your thinking, all your analysis, everything before you get in on a trade. So once you get in on that trade, lock up. Just watch what will happen. But there is the case that putting us like taking out yourself from a loss is better anyway. But that's the thing. Discipline. We are all in this together. So we need to buy the Lamborghini. We need to buy that house. So, but we need to follow the right thing. So, which is, at this case, you see that the market did not prove me wrong. I was like, if I held that trade, if I was holding that trade, I could have not lose that money. So I lost here. Here again, this place. The reason why I marked this place as a good trade was I was expecting to buy from there. I was expecting to buy from there. I think I didn't buy. I saw that one. I didn't buy. Okay, no, I bought on this particular one. I'll show you guys on the trade. I bought on this particular one. Here was the place that I was expecting to buy, but I didn't buy. It's like I bought, but I wasn't confident enough to hold the trade. Yeah, I wasn't confident enough to hold the trade. I exited the trade, but here was the place that I say, what is it? What is happening? By that time, I had a trend line here. Here was a bounce. Let me show you guys the trend line. Let's be real. Let's be practical. I have a trend line here. I have a trend line here. So I have a trend line here. This was a bounce, a bounce, a bounce. Here the market came back, bounce here. Here was the one that it was painful. I didn't take that opportunity. In as much as I could have made like for something pips from that place, I didn't take that opportunity. It was like painful, like really painful. So I waited for this thing to happen again. As the market came back to that zone, as the market came back to that trend line again, I saw a rejection. On these 5 minutes, I saw this candlestick. I bought it. I didn't even wait too much. Like I saw something that made me buy there. So let me go. I want to see. There's something that I saw that made me buy. Okay, it's on 3 minutes. I saw that close here. I bought with a big lot size. I won't lie. I bought with a big lot size there. The market went up aggressively, and what I was doing, you see this red line here was where I put my break even. I was following the trade with my break even. Because I know that I was risking much. So once the market went up, I exited. I made about like 2% plus on this particular trade here. So let's go. So here was on Tuesday. I didn't do anything on Tuesday. On Wednesday was a day where I did something else. Here too, I bought here. I made money here. So here was where I did something I don't like. I have to be real with you guys. Here I did something crazy, which is I didn't supposed to enter this sale. When you're making money on a trade, when you make the first profit, the second profit, the third profit, you will think you are a king. You will start understand. You start be like, bro, now I have got this. So you start thinking that every opportunity that you see is going to be a win trade. You start over leveraging. So this is a battle of the mind. You have to conquer it. Don't over leverage. Set your mind that no matter what happens, I'm going to follow my trading plan. So you have to have a plan. That was what guided me last week. I could have lost a lot of money, but I didn't lose because I started going back on my plan. I started making adjustments. Whenever that thought, impulsiveness come, enter, I will say, no, this is not part of my plan. I have a plan. So discipline. So Wednesday, I did something wrong. So here again, on Thursday, I wanted to buy. The market clear me up, then come back over there again. I say, okay, I'm fine. I lost money here again. So here was all through the Wednesdays, I didn't do anything. I was watching. The market was buying. A lot of people lost money here. Because the market was buying. So here was the last day on Friday. This market is going to buy from here. The market is still on. The time is still 11:57. New York session safe has not opened. So here was a trade that I took last day, which is on Friday here. So I took this sell from here. The reason behind it is because the market has already cleared up the highest liquidity. Let me call it liquidity. The market has already taken up the highest high, the recent high, which is created on this 27 September 2024. Yeah, so the market has taken that high, and I saw how the candle was rejecting on that zone. On 1 hour, I saw how the candle was rejecting on that. No, not on 1 hour. I went down like 5 minutes. I saw how the candle was performing, and you can see my chart pattern. First leg, second leg. Here is where I got in for a sell opportunity, and I exited here, my target was somewhere here. I exited here because here was my initial take profit that I said I'm going to be exiting once the market hits here. But I later said that I think that the market will get in somewhere here. That's why I have this boss here. But the reason why I exited here was that was my initial plan. To exit at that position, at that point. So I was like, bro, you said that you are going to exit at this point, exit. That's what I'm doing now. Once I have made a plan of what I'm going to do on the chart and that market hit that plan, I'm out. That's what I'm doing now because, bro, I want to stack up money. You feel me? I want to make a lot of money from this market, so I have to make as much as possible that I can get, not to make at once, but as long as I am trusting this process, I know that I'm not going to give up on trading now. So I have to be trading every single week, every single month, every single year. So what I do is, as much as I can be able to make now, I am out. That was why I exited on that particular place. So let's go on the chart, on the trading, like the profile account. Let me show you guys how I traded. So this is the trading account here. So let's go on close position for the week, 7 days. Okay, for the week, 7 days. So I made about 182.01. This was what I made. So I started from Tuesday here on the 15th of October. Here, that was where I started. You can see I entered the first loss. I lost. You can see my first loss, my profit, loss. So here was the trades. So here was when I started making profit. You can see it very clear here. You can see here, profit. So here was when I entered with that 0.5. Here was 0.5. So here was the one that I entered 0.5 that I exited too early. Here I was very angry. This $10 that I made here with 0.5, very bad, very bad. So here was the one that I made money from. Here I was holding. So look at the commission these people are taking from me. These people are taking a lot of commission from me. Anyway, that's their money. Just what I want is just to pass this account and withdraw money from it. Yeah, that was what I'm waiting for here. So here was another one. So 0.4, 0.34.30. So here, $26. Here was the loss of that sales. You see, sell, buy. I was doing some crazy things that day, bro. On that Wednesday, I didn't know what happened. I was trading like crazy. On Thursday too, I lost money on Thursday. Here was the ones I took that Friday that I made money from. These ones. Yeah, so that's all, bro. So that was how I traded. I traded like really simple. I did what I said I want to do. So I'm still growing. I'm still learning. I'm still advancing in my discipline level. So if you want to join us, you want to be a part of us, you want to be a part of this community, it's very simple. Use the link on the description below to join the family. I drop signals always. So thank you for watching this video. If you got value, please watch some of my videos again. See you guys in the next video. Please subscribe. Peace out.